Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with #DrGViswanathan's challenge, day number 13, question number 13. And this is the question, gas station. I will explain you the question. Question says you have n number of gas stations, and to go from ith station to the I plus 1th station, you will be needing X amount of fuel. And your gas station can offer gas of I fuel. Basically, these are two arrays, and you have to complete one round from, like, you have started from X station, you have to go clockwise and come to the that station only. Well, if it is possible to do so, then there's going to be only unique solution, and if it's not possible, then you have to return -1. So this is the basic question. It given to integer array gas and cost, return the starting gas station index if you can travel around the circular once in a clockwise direction, otherwise return -1. If there exists a solution, it is guaranteed to be a unique. Okay, so well, I have already submitted this question and I got the answer, which is although not the optimum answer, but still I am pretty happy about this question because this question is not that easy to do, to be very honest. Well, I can tell you the approach I used to solve this question. Well, the approach is easy. See, if you have few gas stations and you have few cost, then if you can just separate the gas by the cost, means if you have, say, gas 5, okay, and it costs 2, then you have 3 here, and so on and so forth. So for the first example, if you can subtract all of these, you will find this -2, -2. So it's very difficult to write here actually. -2, 3, and 3. After finding this, I'm just doing a simple thing. If -2, we are on -2, right? Here we are. If second -2 is greater, or this -4 is greater, means either the second or just combination of 2, which is greater, -2 is greater, right? So continue with this. Now again, -2 is greater for this, or combination of these two, means -4 is greater. Well, again -2 is greater, so continue with this. Now 3 is greater, or 1 is greater, -2 plus 3. Well, 3 is greater, right? So come over here. Now for last, 3 is greater or 6 is greater? Obviously 6 is greater. So during this iteration, we are counting two things, actually 3 things. First, total fuel and total cost, and IDX, index of the maximum, means for this 6 we are actually getting the index this. Okay, now to actually give the answer, we have to check only one condition. If total fuel is greater than total cost, then whatever IDX you are having, means IDX of this, means this, then this is going to be the answer. But if this condition greater than or equal to is not true, means cost is maximum, then this is not the answer, and answer is going to be -1. Well, possibly I'm not very good at explaining why this is working, but still I think this is a very decent question. And yeah, for today this question is done. Thank you. I will post more videos.